When you are operating as an LLC and you are a flow-through entity, let's say that you're in your startup phase of your business. And when you're first starting a business, you could be incurring a lot of costs. You have to get equipment. You have to get your marketing together, your website together. Even forming that business is generating a lot of costs in the beginning. And you may also be working a W-2 job or have some other form of income on your tax return. Therefore, if you have losses flowing from your LLC, those losses can offset the other income on your return. Allow me to give an example. Let's say you are a W-2 employee, you're working for Amazon, you get your W-2, and maybe your W-2 shows you're making $50,000 per year. You started your LLC, you started it off as a side hustle. Your LLC for that first year of operation with all of your expenses, maybe you have a $5,000 loss. You're going to allow that $5,000 loss to flow through on your return to offset that $50,000 worth of income so that your net taxable income drops down to $45,000.